drive. Just go to Amazon and buy a SATA to USB cable for $8.99. Once you get that, you also need a hard drive, as you can see. Now go to Disk Utility and click on Partition. Go to Format and pick an operating system that's compatible with yours. In my case, I picked Mac because I have a Mac computer. Click Apply, click Partition, and just wait. As you can see, the operation was successful. Just click on Done, and then you can just like copy and paste anything into the hard drive. That's it. That's how you get a compatible hard drive working for you. Now if you click on Get Information, you can see that this particular hard drive has 626 gigabytes. Now you don't have to like go buy a USB. I mean, you already have one. So this is the way to do it.